Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you new pet mutation and grow a garden. Okay, let me show you the mutation odds right here from the mutation machine. And as you can see here guys, that there are new mutations for level 500 pet. There are 4 new mutations and the rarest one is the Transcendent. It only has 2.5% chance, and I'm going to try this mutation machine guys, but I don't have pet with level 500, so I'm just going to submit this pet. If you have pet with level 500, you can immediately um, go to the pet mutation machine and put your pet here, and you will be able to get the new mutation. It's great, but it's so hard, guys. How can we level up our pet to 500? Oh my god. Okay, guys, and that's all about the new mutation in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.